Well, welcome to My Life on Coasters, where today I'm here at Efteling in the Netherlands, which is meant to be an amazing theme park. And already, just walking into the entrance, an amazing view of their dark ride, I believe, Symbolica. Yeah, straight into the park. It's about 11 o'clock, the park opened about an hour ago, and I can't wait to explore this theme park and get on some amazing rides like Baron 1898. I have done next to no research on the layout of this park. I have no idea where anything is. All I know is that I think it's all in sort of one area for the main rides, but it's also quite a spread out park from what I've seen. So yeah, I'm by the first roller coaster I recognise, which is Max and Moritz, which is a family dueling powered coaster. Max and Moritz I'm sure I'll go on it at some point today. It's the queue time, it's 20 minutes at the minute for either side, so that's not too bad. There's also a new ride here that I'm really excited for. That is Danse Macabre. That opened in October, the end of October, and it looks really, really good. And that is over there. Oh right, I've sort of made it to the main area then. Thankfully it's not too hard to navigate the park then. This is Baron 1898. There is a pronunciation of it that I can't say, so I'm going to use the English version.
Baron 1898.
Not sure how busy that's going to be today, but I am going to queue for it regardless because it is the main attraction here at Efteling. Wow. Right, I think it's time to yeah, just get on a ride because I'm not that long today. This area is amazingly themed. Yeah, there's people queuing all the way sort of up there for Danse Macabre. It's saying 60 minutes for single rider and 60 minutes for the main queue. So yeah, I don't know if I'll probably will end up queuing for it at some point today. I just think it will quieten down a bit as the day goes on. So I'll keep an eye on the queue today, and as soon as it quietens down, I'll go on there. Which, yeah, it looks like a really good, impressive, unique dark ride. But Baron 1898 looks amazing as well. I've only ever done Oblivion as dive coasters go, so yeah, I think I should probably put some gloves on now though, because it is so cold. It's about 1 degree today. Seeing as I can't find the entrance to Baron 1898 for a minute, may as well start off on Python. Yeah, 50 minutes. Right, okay, maybe not start off on Python. Now let's see if I can find the entrance to Baron. I think it will be just sort of back on yourself up here. Found the entrance, let's join the queue for Baron. So just had my ride on Baron there. Yeah, really enjoyed it. I thought it was really good. Smooth ride, but yeah, it's just really well themed everywhere in there as well. Yes, this is Python then. It opened originally in 1981 and it was retracked in 2018. So yeah, it's quite an old ride, but then kind of not because the track's relatively new. I think it had quite a big queue earlier, but I'm hoping it's quietened down a bit from 50 minutes. Just had a ride on Python, ended up waiting about an hour, so yeah, not the best, but it seems to have calmed down a bit now. It was quite a smooth ride, as you saw from the footage. It doesn't like look too rough, if you know what I mean. And I really quite like the trains on there. Got 4 inversions on there. Yeah, it just does quite a lot with quite a short layout. Sadly, Joris and de Draak, or translates to George and the Dragon, is going to be closed all day, which I didn't know about. Oh well, what can you do now? It's shut. So yeah, there's 2 coasters here, 2 dueling coasters. Probably would have been the best, if not one of the best, at the park. Done the sort of 2 main coasters now, Baron and Python. But yeah, it's still a really nice park. Obviously, I knew about Hollander being closed, and it's only 10 minutes, so may as well do Max and Moritz entree around here. Just did Max there, which is the blue side of Max and Moritz. Yeah, I quite enjoyed it. It's got nice synced up audio as well the whole way around. It's really nicely landscaped. Now I'm going to do Fata Morgana, which is one of the dark rides here at Efteling, if I can find the entrance. All the dark rides here at Efteling are meant to be amazing, so I'm really excited to give this one a go. In gang, this way. Just had an amazing ride there on Fata Morgana. That has exceeded expectations. I thought it'd be quite like an old dark ride, but no, loads of detail in there. It was rare that there was a section where it wasn't like packed to the brim with detail. Really good throughput as well. Sort of like 1001 Nights theme there. Yeah, really good. Thought it worked brilliantly as a boat ride. It was warm in there as well. Yeah, gonna walk over to Vogel Rock now, the park's Vekoma indoor coaster. It's in about a 15-minute walk. So yeah, I just got to follow this pathway around. It's quite a tricky park to navigate. I imagine once you get the hang of it though, it's a lot easier. Yeah, they're also building a big hotel, which is why there's loads of works going on at the entrance. But to be fair, when I did book my tickets, there were loads of warnings saying that there is work going on around the park. So it's really good that they do say that, and it's literally just a couple of like work barriers up and a couple of pathways shut off. €3.75 for a little waffle and ice and sugar. Perfect, actually. Ready really quickly. That's the great thing. They have like these food vending machines. I've seen them elsewhere in the Netherlands for the short few hours I've been here. You basically tap your card and you get food that's hot. It's amazing. And it's really convenient. Anyway, yeah, there's another look at that hotel. Still trying to find Vogel Rock. So I think I found the right way to Vogel Rock. However, Symbolica's here, and when I turn this corner, it looks really impressive. So I've just got to go on it. It's got about a 40-minute queue, but it's meant to be amazing. And there you go. It's like a Disney castle. Wow, what a ride Symbolica is. Just had my ride there. You single rider actually got sat like a seat apart. It wasn't organised the best. But yeah, I'd recommend using single rider if it's a lot quieter, because it's 45-minute main queue or 20 single rider. So I couldn't do 45 minutes when I could see I could just get on in 20, and it was about 20 minutes. Really impressive ride system, trackless ride. I love those sort of rides, like anything high tech like that, and it's so impressive and done such a high quality as well. Amazing, absolutely love Symbolica. So far the 2 dark rides I've done are really good, which gives me high hopes for Danse Macabre, which I've been saving all day, more to the point because it's so busy. I am just going to have to queue it, but I'm heading round now. I'm going to do Pagode, which is a big observation tower. And that is the attraction we're heading to, not the seagull, that big tower thing. Yeah, it looks so impressive from off-ride. The Pagode, hopefully we should be sort of on this one. I don't see why we wouldn't be. It's got a massive size. Pagode was actually really fun. It's over there. It sort of lifts up on an arm. I've got quite a bit of footage on there, so probably put a lot of that in, and it also helped me find the entrance to Vogel Rock. Not that you can miss it once you've got a rough idea of it, because basically it's this massive eagle, and to get in you just walk under the eagle's legs, so that's normal. Yeah, it's like loads of what's the word, ice rink, Christmas trees. It's like it's Christmas here. If you want to know for the time of filming, this isn't a Christmas video I've uploaded late. No, it's the 19th of January. Most Christmas events finished like 3 weeks ago, some even like 4. So, right, let's join the queue for Vogel Rock anyway. It's like my last coaster to do here today for what's open. Yeah, I really like the queue line for Vogel Rock. Should be on in about 5 minutes. That was Vogel Rock then, which is a Vekoma indoor coaster. I'm not too sure how old it was, but yeah, it was quite fun. Very comfortable trains. Not the most intense or quickest, but it's a good family ride there. Nice few indoor scenes, and the queue just kept moving quickly. Nice indoor queue. Yeah, quite enjoyed it. Worth going on if you're coming to Efteling. Now it's time to head over to the new 2024 Danse Macabre. So it's time to join the queue for Danse Macabre. Just done Danse Macabre, and because we're in a bit of a rush, going to do Baron 1898 now. Not too sure what the queue time is, but I don't think it'll be too long because it's very cold. Should be like a near night ride here. Lots of the lights are on, so let's go for a final ride on Baron 1898. It broke. Yeah, it's not opening. Oh, it's not open at the minute. We've not got enough time to wait anymore. We started queuing for the front, and yeah, it's broken down. We can't wait, so not getting that night ride on it, but it does look awesome, and I'm sure we'll be back at Efteling at some point in the future. So because Baron has closed, the substitute is the other side of Max and Moritz, which is the green one, so we're going to do that instead. Yeah, it's only 5 minutes as well. that is the other side on Max and Moritz done, the green one there. Didn't get any more footage of it because they wouldn't have picked up the best at night time. But yeah, it was really fun, pretty much the same, but yeah, it's just a bit different, isn't it? Lots of nice lighting now around the park, so I think, yeah, I'll take some nice pictures. Yeah, apparently this is going to be turned into a Lake of Fantasy in 50 minutes, so a cool show. Unfortunately, we have got a flight to catch, so I'm going to head into the shop and then we're going to head out of the park. But yeah, it's only about an hour or two of the park shut, so we're not going to leave that much earlier. I did end up going in the gift shop, but it's just a temporary one in a shed at the minute. I got 4 magnets, yeah, €2.50 each, and now I'm outside the park. Always got to finish it in a gift shop, but look at the amazing entrance, because it is so impressive here. But that is where I'm going to end this vlog, and I'll be going back over to my travel vlog, which will either be on my channel now or be on my channel soon. It's been a good day here at Efteling. I've not done as much as I maybe would have imagined. A couple of bits have been closed, but my thoughts are Baron is a very fun coaster. It's definitely not like it's an amazing package, and don't get me wrong, it's really fun. It's not like top 5 coasters, but still really good. Python was pretty decent. It's an old Vekoma coaster, but it was smooth. It was a fun ride. That is the sort of main thing. But what blew me away was Danse Macabre. That was a really special attraction for a very special park. I do really enjoy Efteling. It's definitely in my top 3 parks. Yeah, it's a magical theme park. I really do like it. The only thing I'll say about it is I think it needs a big standout coaster, or a really good coaster, because it just hasn't got it. But look at that, with how like misty it is tonight, all the light bounces off the clouds. Now I'll be handing sort of back over to the travel vlog now, so go and check that out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.